Do you have trouble with full pack refrigerator? This video will help you. Hello, my name is Sanjiro, a food aficionado. Let me tell you a quick story of mine. When I live with my parents, I usually cannot find things I want from the fridge. When I start living alone, I became like that too. When we store too many things in the fridge, we tend to forget what we have. Once we realize they will be expired or spoiled already, instead of saving money on cooking, we wasted those money on spoiled ingredients. What a shame! Here are 3 quick tips to keep refrigerator in order. First, plan your meal weekly. You can use your planner or some note calendar to help you plan the menu in advance. Planning meals in advance will help you reduce food waste dramatically. This will help you mentally too because you don't have to think what to cook every day. Second, list out your remaining ingredients and things to buy. We tend to think of scarcity in our house, so let's list out what we have to buy and what we have. Doing so will prevent us from overbuying ingredients and reducing food waste. Third, buy ingredients only once or twice a week. The more often we go shopping, the more things we will buy. That goes the same for food. This is because shopping is a kind of stress-relieving activity, but it can adversely cause stress if you overbuy. 4. Prepare food in appropriate portions. Right after buying, we can start preparing food by cutting, dividing, and storing in appropriate portions to cook. Doing so will help us know exactly how much ingredients remain before we think of adding more. In conclusion, to keep our refrigerator clean, we should plan meals weekly, listing remaining and things to buy, go to market only once or twice a week, and prepare food in cooking portions. I hope these tips help you declutter your refrigerator and become happy cooking more. If you also have your personal tips, please let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear your comments too. See you in the next video.